Stop scrolling. Hello, my dear English learners. Welcome back to FluentX English, the place where you don't just study English, you use English. Take a deep breath. Relax your shoulders. You are safe here. You are learning, and that is enough. Today's episode is special because today you will speak. Not tomorrow, not one day. Today. A quick question for you. How was your day? Did you try something new? Did you feel nervous speaking English? If yes, good. That means you are growing. Let me tell you something important. Listening alone will not make you fluent. Reading alone will not make you confident. To speak English, you must speak English. And that's why today we are doing shadowing practice. What is shadowing? Very simple. I speak, you listen, then you repeat out loud. You copy the sound, the rhythm, the confidence. Not perfection, progress. Even if your voice shakes, speak. Even if you make mistakes, speak. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is. Pinpoint. How this practice will work. I will say one sentence. I will pause. You repeat after me. Follow the subtitles on screen. Speak clearly, slowly, confidently. Ready? Let's warm up your English voice. Shadowing sentences, Part 1, easy. Repeat after me. I am learning English every day. I give myself permission to learn slowly. I am not afraid of making mistakes. English feels easier when I practice. I enjoy hearing my own English voice. Excellent. Keep going. I listen carefully and speak calmly. I try again even if I fail. My confidence grows with practice. I am proud of myself today. I choose progress over perfection. Great job! You've already completed 10 shadowing sentences. Shadowing sentences, Part 2, medium. Now let's go a little deeper. Every small effort improves my English. I speak English to communicate, not to impress. I trust my learning process. I feel more confident each time I speak. English becomes natural when I use it daily. Nice work. I allow myself to sound imperfect. Speaking slowly helps me speak clearly. I am building strong English habits. I show up even when it feels difficult. My future English is created by today's practice. Amazing. Pause for a second. Smile. You're doing something powerful. You just completed 20 shadowing sentences. That's not small. That's discipline. Golden Rule 01. I feel plus adjective. Use this rule to talk about your feelings. Examples. I feel happy. I feel nervous today. I feel confident today. I feel tired now. Emperor Rule 2. Daily practice beats long, rare study. Remember this. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Daily vocabulary, new and useful. Number 1, attempt. Meaning, to try to do something. Example, I will attempt to speak English today. Number 2, comfortable. Meaning, feeling relaxed, not nervous. Example, I feel comfortable speaking English now. Number 3, progress. Meaning, moving forward, getting better step by step. Example, I can see my progress in English. Thank you for practicing with FluentX English. If this session helped you, like this episode, share it with one learner, and comment, "I spoke today." I am proud of you. Keep going. See you in the next episode. And don't forget to subscribe. I guarantee you 100% that in a month you'll learn fluent English.